Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this viral hair combo on Dress to Impress. You'll only need 5 items. The first one is this one. You're going to color it to whatever color you want. Then grab this hair in the Only Bangs toggle and this hair as well in the Only Bangs toggle. For this one, you're going to adjust the hair a little bit. So position the Y at 0.46, Z 0.63, rotate the X to 0.52, and scale it to 0.44. Then grab this hair in the Only Flowers in the second toggle I think I did, or the first one. Here we only need this one, and I thought I was able to scale it. I don't know. I did scale it down, but I don't know, apparently I can't scale it now. But you're just going to add the flowers there, and that's it. You have this cute hairstyle on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!